Hi everyone, my name is Yamini. I joined Qspiders in the month of 2020 and I undergone courses like SQL, Manual, Java and Selenium. SQL was being handled by Kiran sir, Manual was by Pradeep sir, Java was by Shankar sir and Selenium was by Santosh sir. And I coming from a civil background, when I joined Qspiders I was in a dilemma whether I'll be able to understand all the testing concepts or everything. And yes, after joining the Qspiders, I understood that the trainers over here are the super best. They train me in such a way that I am well versed in all my concepts, and I am thankful for each and every trainer who trained me. Even though if I skip the class, they gave me a backup to make me even more well versed at skipped classes. And I am glad that not every institution will be having this kind of facilities. And thank you for that, for the whole Qspiders team. And I got a job from Qspiders itself. I'm thanking for the HR team for helping me out there. And HR was like Heman sir and Sudha ma'am. I wholeheartedly thank you people for helping me. And yes, I'm working. And yes, and the Qspiders helped me out to make my career. Thank you people. Thanks a lot.